Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to share how to exactly make $500 per day using ChatGPT. You know, ChatGPT is a number one AI in the world right now. So, if you want to make money, keep watch this video and don't skip any moment. At 10 motivational quotes. So, now ChatGPT make 10 quotes for me. This is absolutely unique. Now I use these quotes in to create Instagram post. Wow, this is really cool. Now at first I copy this one, then go to here is lots of template, so I can choose this one. You don't need to know Instagram post size, social media post size, Facebook post size. You can use this Canva in a different way. Here are lots of millions template for absolutely for free. So this link I will provide in description below. Please check it. You need to download these 10 motivational quotes one by one and edit in Canva. Then go to instagram.com. Then type of create and put your design. It is unique and beautiful design. Then next, then type motivational quotes hashtag. I choose easy difficulty for a ranking Instagram algorithm. The quote is on. Then add your location if you are India, if you are Pakistan, if you are Africa, Europe, America, this is no matter. I put in India. Now share your design. I guarantee you if you create every day 5 to 7 posts, after 6 months you have 500 to 800 posts your account. Then you easily get 50,000 to 1 lakh follower in Instagram. If you have 1 lakh, go to instagram.com, then type example of fashion, example of health and weight loss, etc. You can choose anyone. I can choose fashion. Here is the million posts already have in Instagram this category. Go to recently post, then I go to recent post. And you see this is a brand new Instagram page. Then go to message. Hey, my name is Kalam. and I want to promote your product in my page for cheap price. If you are able to message 20% to 30%, then I guarantee you easily get one or two customer here. Then you easily get 100 to $200 easily. So if you are new viewers in this channel, please subscribe my channel for another video.